Magandang araw ho sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na ang mga kaguruan, mga mag-aaral, mga estudyante sa iba't ibang antas ng paaralan. Narito ho ang mga paaralang walang pasok sa darating na Martes, February 25, 2025 dahil ito ho ang 39th anniversary ng People Power 1 or EDSA Revolution noong 1986. Kapag narito ang iyong paaralan, well, swerte ho kayo. Unang-una, we have the Adamson University, 2. Apostolic Vicariate of Calapan Parochial Schools, 3. Congregatio Immaculate Cordes Mariae Philippine Schools Network, De La Salle Philippines, Don Bosco Technological College in Cebu, General de Jesus College, Immaculate Conception Academy Green Hills, Imus Institute, Caloocan Diocese Schools Association that includes De La Salle Araneta University, Immaculate Conception Academy of Malabon, La Consolacion College Caloocan, Notre Dame of Greater Manila, San Jose Academy, St. Gabriel Academy, St. James Academy, and St. Mary's Academy. Then Mary Hill College, Lucena City, St. Pedro Fabeda College, San Beda University. Next, we have San Pablo Regician Catholic School System, St. Bridget College, Batangas City, St. Joseph's College, St. Scholastica's Academy, Pampanga, St. Scholastica's College, Manila, University of Santo Tomas, University of the East, UST Angelicum College, Xavier School, San Juan and Nuvale. While other schools will be implementing alternative learning modes or encouraging their students and faculty to join the activities commemorating the People Power Anniversary. Kasali ang mga schools na ito, we have the Assumption College San Lorenzo, Ateneo de Manila University, Far Eastern University, Miriam College, Asakad University of the Philippines, all schools in the system, but UP Cebu first declared the suspension of classes. So, ito ho yung mga schools and the list is still growing. No, credit to some principals and school heads administrators who opted na walang pasok sa darating na Martes. Kasali ba ang schools niyo o hindi? Well, mag-inquire na lang kayo sa inyong mga administrators. Magandang araw.